Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the outdoor string lights here by GlobaLink. It is 11.7 meter long. These are 38.4 feet. It's a G40 LED light emitted diode garden string light. IP65 waterproof. That means you can use it indoor and outdoor as you like. It's a globe fastened lights for outdoor with 30 bulbs plus 3 replaceable bulbs or the replacement bulbs. It's nice Patio light for indoor and outdoor site work, party, yard, for wedding, for fasts, for parties, for Xmas, for decoration, and the energy class is A+++. When it comes to an outdoor space, the waterproof is crucial. These outdoor lights here can be able to weather extreme rain, wind, and harsh temperature, both cold and hot. The IP65 commercial grade waterproof strand Patio lights for our exterior decoration, even in heavy rain, is possible to handle this. Okay, we have to note that the plug is IP44 waterproof. We do not put it in heavy rain, but in a normal rain it's okay, but not in heavy rain. But only the plug. The plug unit, maybe you can wrap, if you are outdoor, really outdoor with the plug too, then you use a bag for it to let this waterproof level rise up. We have here the G40 globe replacement LED bulb system, and we can easily attach it and use it, and of course we can replace the bulbs. If the 3 bulbs are not enough in this space, you can search for B07 RPM PFL3 on Amazon, then you can rebuy this. This 11.7 meter listed G40 globe string lights is made with heavy duty commercial grade wires and tightly sealed all riser sockets that won't sustain damage, and built-in internal fuse which increase safety while using. Durable wire can withstand all year-round usage but still keep strong. We have solid 28WG wire core inside to prevent the LED string lights from getting overheat after a long time of usage. If we are looking for a long-term solution, this LED is the way to go. They are more energy efficient. This particular set uses up to 90% less energy and much longer lasting than halogen tungsten lights. This long lifespan of more than 30,000 hours can reduce the maintenance cost on charging or replacing the bulbs frequently. 3-watt low voltage gazebo Festoon light never get hot enough to cause concern. Our child can also touch it safely, no prop for it. They are versatile and they are ideal for weddings, for dance parties, for outdoor meals, for patios, for tents, and more. If we want to bring ambience to our outdoor space, then this bulb's LED string here should be a frontier for us. Furthermore, the set comes with 3 extra bulbs and exquisite package to ensure that we are not inconvenienced in any way. The bulbs works in parallel, so this means a defect, a broken bulb has no influence on the others. Each bulb has a clip on the side, so we can hang it easily on the trees, for example, or bushes, or we can attach the fairy lights under tents or terrace, awnings and umbrellas, etc. It is CE and RoHS approved. And here we go. It's cool, and it is from GlobaLink. GlobaLink is a brand that focuses on LED light, committed to providing us customers with a better experience and service. They strive to be perfect in every detail to ensure that every product is an excellent and durable. They have been cooperating with professionals and reputed manufacturers for many years. GlobaLink and lights our life here. That's right, because this fairy lights is long term use, and here in the north it's so windy, stormy weather out there, and it works really good. We look to an outdoor environment at night, and it is totally dark, with nothing to smile about. But now there's something that will bring our backyard and Patio back to life at night. These outdoor string lights have really improved with time to the extent that many homes see them as a must-have. They are versatile and are ideal for weddings, dance parties, outdoor meals, patios, tents, and more. If we want to bring ambience to our outdoor space, then these string lights here should be a good job for this. It's quickly and timeless. We enhance the appearance of this outdoor environment with the help of these outdoor string lights easily. The number of lights are 30. It's always it's available with 50 on the market too. Okay, a single lamp bulb 5. The lamp holder model is G40. It's for outdoor and indoor use. The distance from the plug to the first lamp is 3 meters. That's good. The light spacing is 30 centimeters. And the distance from the first to the last bulb is 8.7 meters. The cable color is black. And the total length of it is about 11.7 meters. So you can see this is a big, nice IP65 waterproof fairy lights. And you can dock it easily with an AC power supply. Maybe you protect the power supply a little bit if you use it outdoor, the power supply, with and back to protect it against rain. This is the awesome GlobaLink outdoor string lights. 11.7 meter long. This is a 38.4 feet G40 LED garden string lights, IP65 waterproof. This is a global LED string light set. It's a perfect choice for our lamp. Warm our everyday life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.